Hi guys, Stone here with Actionable Insights. Welcome to this week's Monday Minute. In this video, I'm going to show you what a violation alert is within the XactXpert drawer. Here, on the right side of the screen within the drawer, there's a legend. This is a terminology key. You can see there are three types of alerts, violations being at the top. Violations are red. Violations must be resolved within an estimate. You cannot bypass a violation, nor can you complete or print with an active violation. You have to fix the issue. It's exactly what it says it is. If I come to a brand new estimate within the Actionable profile, there are two required fields here. You can move your mouse over them, and if you click on this, you can go directly to the fields in question. I can double click on the date received and the date inspected field to satisfy those violations. We also have a labor minimums tab review. As soon as you've added a line item to your estimate, you can go to the labor minimums tab to check and see if labor minimums have been properly applied. That will resolve this violation. Remember, if you're trying to complete your scope and print it out, violations have to be addressed. Bear in mind, this is live estimating guidance. The types and amounts of alerts you're given are entirely dependent on your scope and react to your scope as you write it. This gives you flexibility in how you review and handle the live estimating guidance within the XactXpert drawer. Thanks for checking in on this week's Monday Minute, guys. Keep learning and growing.